Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been using Image Playground on iOS 18.2 and you're getting the message, unable to use that description every time you try to generate an image, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you some quick and easy ways to fix this issue. Solution 1 is Restart Image Playground app. What you need to do, simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Find Image Playground in the app switcher and swipe it up to close. After that, reopen the app and try again. Now try to enter the description and check whether it starts to create an image or not. If the same error occurred, please go to the next clue. Solution 2 is check your description. Sometimes the description you're entering might be too vague or contain restricted words. Try these tips. Use clear and specific descriptions. Instead of cool dog, try a golden retriever playing in the park. Then other thing is avoid using sensitive or inappropriate words as they may be blocked. For example, words related to drugs, alcohol, murder, blood, death, or other controversial topics. Another thing is keep your description short and simple. Your description is okay, but you have no luck. Right, don't worry. Go through next clue. Solution 3 is check your internet connection. Image Playground requires an active internet connection to generate images. Open the Settings app, then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to strong Wi-Fi network. If you are mobile data users, then go to Settings, then tap on Cellular and ensure data is enabled for Image Playground. You can also do restart your Wi-Fi or switch networks if needed. Solution 4 is restart your iPhone. Dear friends, sometimes a quick restart can fix glitches with system apps. So you can do this by pressing and holding the side and volume buttons until the power slider appears. Now drag slide to power off. Now wait 30 seconds and then turn your iPhone back on. Solution 5 is update your iOS on your device. Make sure you're running the latest iOS version, as Apple may have released a fix for this issue. For that, go to Settings, tap on General, and click on the Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Solution 6 is reset network settings. If none of the previous steps worked, try resetting your network settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset Wi-Fi and network settings. Go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down the screen all the way to Transfer or Reset iPhone. On this screen, tap on Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Follow on-screen instructions. Final Solution 7 is to delete and reinstall the Image Playground app. Simply press and hold on the Playground app. Choose Remove App. Select Delete App. Tap on Delete to uninstall it. Now open the App Store and find Playground app. Tap on the cloud with an arrow icon to reinstall the Playground app. After setup, enter your desired text description. I'd recommend contacting Apple support for direct assistance. If you're in the US, you can call Apple at 800-MY-APPLE. You can visit an Apple store. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix the unable to use that description error in Image Playground. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.